Kaya nga, kumusta siya? Ano siya? Determinado
Okay
talaga?
lang.
Determinado talaga?
Oo, grabe yung ano niya. Grabe ang training niya, tsaka grabe ang determinasyon niya.
Kailan mo huling nakita sa kanya yung ganyan determinasyon tsaka focus?
Morales 2.
Yung Morales 2. Nung
Oo,
natalo.
Morales 2, natalo kami. Tapos, pagbalik sa training, grabe, ganito yung nakikita ko ngayon.
Yung De La Hoya, ganyan din.
Hindi, iba pa yun. Ibang klase, parang Morales 2. Yung determinasyon niya, tsaka yung focus niya, ibang klase. Basta, ayaw niya makialam sa ibang business. Gusto nila mag-training lang siya, yun lang.
So hindi niya pinapansin lahat. Wala muna iba, yung mga politika.
Kami lang nagtatrabaho ng mga side business. Lahat ng side business kami nagtatrabaho, pero yung training siya. Nakapokus talaga siya, nakapokus.
Nung bang nag-prepare si Pacquiao kay Morales nung una, puno na siya ng distractions, ano?
Oo, mas marami nga distractions nun eh.
Doon na siya nagsimula. Doon na nagsisimula, no?
Oo. In fact, hindi man dapat. Nung kita kami ni Manny Pacquiao, una nung manalo siya kay Marco Antonio Barrera, doon sa Malacanang, bigyan siya ng Ring Magazine Award.
Apo.
Tayo sponsor noon, si Nigel Collins, sinisponsor natin yung ticket.
Apo.
Nagkausap kami doon sa while waiting for the president, then Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. Kami yung nasa harap nung anak ko si Dos, si Mr. Nazario at si Manny, nagkukwentuhan kami. Tinanong niya, sa tingin ni Mr. Lino, tanunin ko kaya si Eric? Sabi ko, do you accept constructive criticism? Tumatanggap ko ba? Oo. Sa kondisyon mo ngayon, hindi ka mananalo sa kanya. Kasi luwak yung mata niya. Laging timidity, parang puyat sa pagbibilyard. So marami na siyang nagkakabalang galon. What happened during the first fight? Talo si Manny Pacquiao. Kinumpos ang hangin. Pero ang ganda ng pinakita niya, siya ay talong nanalo ron kasi doon nakita yung gritty stance ni Manny Pacquiao. Talagang napakatapang niya. Putok na yung kilay eh. Talagang hindi pa sumusuko, lumaban, binigyan ng mga dandaban si Eric. And then I think noong Undo, in 2009, nag-blow out si Manny Pacquiao dyan sa may yung tabi ng
Harbor View.
Harbor View. Andun tayo sa andun ka. Sinabi niya, kung siya lumapit sa amin ni Mr. Moilanes after nung konting kika ni Moilanes nag-shake hand sa akin. Mr. Lirio, malayo na yung narating ko, no? What do you mean? Pero syempre naman malayo narating mo. Buhat doon sa comment nyo na ako matatalo kay Eric Morales. I learned from that very constructive comment, sabi niya.
Oo nga.
Ayun.
Hindi, kaya ako po tinanong sa inyo kasi sinabi sa akin ng mga tauhan ni Manny ngayon sa US, tinawagan ko kagabi, na yung preparation daw ni Manny ngayon parang Morales Part 2. Yung gustong
What do you mean?
Yung Morales Part 2, yung talagang masidhi yung preparasyon, yung gustong-gustong.
Oo, kasi nung matalo siya ng first part, kinailangan niya talagang bumawi kay Eric. Si Eric was really parang unmindful of him. Sabi, ano ba naman nagpapakita mo? Ano ba naman ibubuga mo? Ayun, nakita ni Morales ibinuga ni Manny. Take you sa round 10.
So bad news para kay Mayweather po yung ganyang preparasyon ni Manny?
Very bad news kay Mayweather. And sinasabi lang ni Mayweather, hindi siya takot tennis sparring mate siya kinuha niya. Natataranta.
He's doing fine.
Yeah, okay. And I can see that, he's been so quick in some of his shadow boxing and his gym drills. Is that a good sign that, of something positive for the Filipinos?
Well, everything is positive. He's in good mental condition. He's in good shape. We're training hard, and we're going to have a great fight on May 2nd.
All right. What about his focus, boss? When was the last time you saw him as focused?
I just said he's in great mental condition. That's focus. That includes focus. His mind is totally focused on this fight.
And you've been with him for nearly a decade, and since when was the last time you saw him as focused as this?
I've never seen him as focused as this. Well, I told you, this is the most I've seen him ever focused on a fight, and he's working very hard, and everything is going great. Other than that, I don't want to give up much information. So he is going to be in great shape also for this fight. He's not underestimating Manny. That's why I think it's going to be a heck of a fight, but I still believe he will prevail.
Spin.